So yeah, it's a conversation going on between three people, Verkäuferin, then the person who is buying Kunta, and there is another triangle that's maybe the friend. So, shall we discuss Sana and Revati and Samriddhi?
Yeah.
Okay. Sana, you still doing or done? Okay, so Samriddhi and I and Sana, we're gonna complete the first exercise. I'll be the first. I'll be the seller. Samriddhi, you will be the person who's buying, and Sana, you will be her friend, right? So I'll say, I'm the Verkäuferin. Wie gefällt Ihnen dieser Pullover? Samriddhi?
Ich weiß nicht. Nein, der gefällt mir nicht.
Sana, being her friend, what would you say? Was?
Der gefällt dir nicht. Ich finde es super.
Okay, Sana, you put S pronoun for which word? Because S to das ke saath, matlab, it's a pronoun for neutrum. And the thing which we are discussing is pullover. Pullover is der pullover. So the pronoun for der is masculine pronoun. Anybody who has written anything here? What is the answer? The pronoun is wrong. She has written S, but it is not S. The pronoun for pullover is wrong here. Pullover is a masculine noun that means air. So what's the pronoun for air? In, right. Ich finde ihn super. So Sana, being Samrithi's friend, she said, was? What? Der gefällt dir nicht? You didn't like it? Ich finde ihn super. I like it. So ये just in hai. This is the pronoun for pull over. Understood the first conversation? Yeah, others?
Yep.
Right? Now, and the other conversations, Revati, you will be the circle, the first circle, that means the Verkäuferin. Ashwin, you would be the buyer, that means the Kunda. Samriddhi, you would be the friend. So, beginning Z, Revati, Verkäuferin.
Und dieses T-Shirt in Rot, wie finden Sie es?
Very good. Wie finden Sie es? So, T-shirt is Neutrum, that means Neutrum is S. So, the pronoun is also S. Richtig. Wie finden Sie es? Ashwin, you being the Kunda.
Nein, das tat mir nicht.
Das steht mir
Das
nicht.
steht
Very good.
mir.
No, yeah, das steht, it doesn't suit me. Samriddhi, being Ashwin's friend, what would you say? Ja.
Ja, und es passt dir auch nicht.
Sehr good. Es passt dir auch nicht. So he says, no, it's not suiting me. So Samriddhi says, yeah, it doesn't pass you at all. So that's what dear. Very good. Next one. Sana, you be the Verkäuferin. Samriddhi, you be the person who's buying it. Let us the second circle for the Kunda. And Revati, you be the friend. Bitte beginnen Sie, Sana.
Actually, the third one I could not do much. It was difficult. The first and second I had done.
Okay, do it. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Read the sentence, Sana, the first one.
Sehen Sie diese Stiefel? Möchten Sie
Anprobieren. Right? The question says, Sana, look at these boots. Boots ka article, the boots. It's a feminine word, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, möchten Sie, would you like to try it? So, möchten Sie
Sie anprobieren?
Very good. Möchten Sie anprobieren? Yeah, so the pronoun for Stiefel, that's the Stiefel is Sie. That's why möchten Sie probieren? Would you like to try it? Samriddhi. the buyer.
Ja, die sind schön und sie passen mir auch.
Unzi, yeah, these in shown. ऐसे इन्होंने plural लिया है, no issues. Yeah, these in shown. Unzi passen mir auch. It also suits me. Revati, you being Samrithi's friend, what would you say?
Ja, die sind super für dich.
Very good. Yeah, these in oder these in super for dish. These are super for you. So here we have used dish because of the preposition for.
Can you tell me
Understood
answer for 3
how
and
we are
4?
making.
Der
Yeah,
gefällt,
what?
der gefällt ihn nicht, right?
In the first one,
Yeah, number 3. Was der gefällt
dear nicht.
dir nicht. And the next one?
Next one is in.
Okay.
Yeah, because वो उसकी friend बोलती है what? Yeah, you didn't like it. I find it amazing. So you didn't like it. So die gefällt dir nicht. Ich finde ihn super.
Okay.
Finde is accusative. So for pullover, we have used the pronoun in accusative. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Tricky, huh? Great. So that was the trickiest part of this chapter ends here. And you don't have, you have a lot to do, but then not much. So you don't have anything in here. It's just, I would tell you something. It's all about the vocabulary. Yeah, here, this was amazing that you guys understood the dative and accusative. Yeah, and in order to use them, you need to be very, very, very careful with which word you are using. Yeah, if it's für, so it has to be accusative. If it is helfen, stehen, passen, these are all dative verbs, so the pronoun has to be in dative. Now we'll quickly jump in here. That's the last chapter, which has nothing, no verbs, sorry, no grammar points, because it's like a cherry on the cake chapter, just to make your vocabulary a bit stronger. So how are we going to do this? We're going to come up in here. Yeah, these. Yeah. So it's all about Ryzen, right? Ryzen is travel. Yeah, Ashwin. Yeah.
No, I can't find this page in my book.
What?
I really
There is-
can't find it.
What, they removed chapter 12? इतना भी तो बुरा नहीं था chapter की हटा दे उन्होंने. But how come it's that?
Chapter 12 says,
What is that?
I show you on the camera, it starts from here.
Okay. What about the others? Do you have the same book?
Which book is this?
It is the same.
It's course book. So, okay, do one thing. Samriti, you have the book A to A1?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Is it the same as Sana?
Yes.
Click a photo and send it to me on WhatsApp quickly.
Ma'am, me?
Yeah, Samriti, you. What I was so no मैंने सुना तो था कि उन्होंने remove करा है लेकिन ऐसे तो they don't do ये printing mistake है I think because वो ऐसे तो move नहीं करेंगे because I have got the new books as well. It's just 4 months old, not exactly 4. It's like 8 months old, but still. How come it's so? I know that. Let's see what Samriti has. Ashwin, were you asking me something?
No.
Okay, let's see what Samriti has got for me. But then Samriti has this page, Sana.
I can't find it actually. Mine starts from page 150 onwards.
Then has to be a printing mistake. Revati, what about you? If you have Ashwin, what about your book? Do you have page number 160, 137 and 138 in the course book?
The course
Yes.
book page number 137 is there.
136 and this page, I'm talking about this page. Is it there in the book?
Later,
Yeah, yeah,
yes,
that's-
preserved.
Right. Okay, then Sana, it has to be your, like, how come that never happens with anybody? What kind of failure is this?
no,
Strange.
actually that
Okay, Sana, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
also there.
You there is okay, fine. So Samriddhi also has it. That means everybody has it. Only Sana has not these pages. Okay. Now you do one thing. You'd see it from here, Sana. They have got 3 places for vacation. Okay, Bhara Urlaub. Bhara Urlaub is like wherein you just go and take maybe beach Urlaub. Bhara Urlaub is equivalent to the beach Urlaub. Start Urlaub, that is city tour. Camping Urlaub, that is camping, and ski or a snowboard, that means Urlaub is vacation in the snow. So you need to arrange that what things goes with which Urlaub. For example, Leofel, Gabel, and Messer. Leofel is your spoon, Gabel is your fork, and Messer is your knife. Leofel is spoon, Gabel is your fork, and Messer is knife. So in which Urlaub we need to take these things? Start Urlaub, Bada Urlaub, camping Urlaub, or the ski or the snowboard. कहाँ लेके जाते हैं चम्मच चाकू एंड ऑल
What is start Urlaub?
city tour, city Urlaub, city vacation. So we take these things to which vacation?
Campaign Urlaub.
Camping, your Rishtish. When we go for campaigning, जब हम camping में जाते हैं, camping करने, then we take Leofel, that is spoon, Gabel is your fork, and Messer. Similarly, arrange the others. And let me know if any picture is not clear to you.